Look at this heater. Isn't it warm? I could lay here all day. Something, something. But don't look at me because I'm embarrassed. Because I'm so lazy. Look at, oh, you won't wet me. Look at you. Why? You just a lazy little thing. Looking out in the windy. It's so windy out there. I don't blame you. What would, what would happen if I revealed more of the heater? What would you do then? Would you crawl on top of it or just leave it? Oh, she's gonna leave it. Oh, lady, you just get warm on the heater, okay? I like you a lot. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Wait, who took her bonnet off? Lady!
She took it off. I'm not old anymore.
She made it.
It's a miracle. All right, who invited Granny to the table? You have to get it closer than that. This is this goes against all of her puppy training.
She used my leg to like she was like
Yeah, I did.
Does that taste good, Grandma?
she's like, yes it does.
Why would you guys ever want to be excused from this place?
Yeah, I'm yelling at the kids. Don't you leave the table without asking to be excused.
She's like, I want to be at the table, please.
It is so windy outside right now. Everybody's garbage can is blown over. Half of them aren't even put out because the neighbor just got her lid just opened and it like blew snow all over her. I think she's okay. I mean, there's garbage everywhere. Our town is like covered in garbage right now because yesterday and today the winds have been 50 to 60 miles an hour, which that's not the highest winds we've ever had recorded here, but they're not stopping, so it's just pummeling everything. It's not snowing outside. That's just snow from the mountains being blown down through here. It's insane. Oh, pizza box. There it goes. All right, we'll get that. We're gonna have to do a mass yard cleanup when we're, I don't know, back together, put together, when the wind stops. But it's supposed to blow all day today as well. And there's a few trees that are down. There's a few power lines. It was blowing so hard this morning that the moisture in the air was so like heavy and constant that it was causing the power lines to arc as I was driving home. There was like flashes and I thought it was a transformer blowing like you see, but there's no transformer there. It was just totally arcing between the two phases. It was like zoop, 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 zoop. It was insane this morning. The winds were blowing so bad last night that you could hear the wind inside the attic here for some reason. I don't know if it's like the direction that they're blowing, but it actually made Lady whine a little bit, and she never whimpers because she's scared. But a few times last night I heard her whimper, and she got a little scared. Bonnie and I are doing our first round of the vaccine today.
In my
And
red shoe.
I'm pretty excited. And on top of that, I'm also doing a back injection today because that's just what you do. You pile up your doctor appointments.
Lincoln, cool shoes. Come on out. His shoes were so thrashed. I'm letting him wear his new tennis shoes today. Joel said he doesn't care about the wind or what it does because he got a good parking spot.
The world could end today. I got that parking spot. Are you kidding me?
Do you want to tell them, or should I tell them, that our appointments are not today? They're tomorrow.
One of them is for today, though. That's good.
So we're gonna go get Joel's back. What's it called?
Injection.
Injected.
They'll put a cortisone shot in my back.
Nice.
I cut that out.
This is not what it looked like just a few minutes ago. The wind is so bad out there. I wish you could even just like halfway see or understand. You can just hear Joel's taking Lincoln to school. The wind is just, I can't even put my face outside. I don't know how late he's gonna go potty. I feel nervous that Joel is even out there. It doesn't even look bad through the camera, but it is just so bad. What did you say about the trees at the school?
Well, the poor old school is like all the trees on the south side are gone. They're just piled up.
And they were massive trees.
Massive trees. What's crazy is though is one of them like is split and then they cut the other half down, you can tell, to just help it. The other one came down, and when it came down, the roots, like, I don't know if this is the tree, here's the roots came up, and they're as tall as our house are. It's huge root ball, just, whoa, it's insane.
The kids did the dishes, and while the kids did the dishes, Joel vacuumed the basement, and I swept. Oh, I think I missed. I'm like stepping in something pretty. I swept, and that was a good use of our time.
I like it.
That's our way of working things out now that Bree isn't here. I thought that worked out good though.
I enjoy it, honestly.
Yeah, that was good. Okay, so we need to tell them we showed them the doctor's office, and then we didn't show them after. Well, it was because I had a breakdown in the office. I was so mad, and I was so mad that I was just crying, and I'm pretty sure you guys were sick of seeing me cry. We made the appointment, and we went in thinking that we were going to get an injection in Joel's back, and I still don't know, Joel didn't clarify when
I called and made the appointment for an injection.
She made a consultation appointment. And so we thought we were going in to get Joel injection in his back, and we get there and they're like, no, that's like not for another, like if you schedule it now, we're out a month. I was upset because I know how bad Joel's back is right now, and he just works through it anyway. I don't like seeing that, and I was frustrated. I was really frustrated. Yeah, so that was the appointment. So we went to the hospital for 2 appointments today, and neither of them worked out.
Try again tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll try again tomorrow. End of the story, we got his appointment made. We got the house cleaned up. We had a healthy dinner with the kids.
What do you want from us?
Alright, guys, it is bedtime. Has everyone brushed their teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Lincoln, did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Cody. Oh, Cody.
I'm not here.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes.
Lincoln, that is what I'm talking about. You can play, but if you try and hurt them, they're not going to want to play with you.
To hurt them. I did.
Okay, well, Cody, will you put all the beanbags away?
Yeah.
Look at his feet. Are you joking me? All right, good night, everybody.
Good night.
Okay. Wow.
Poor Dee. Okay.